What's up guys, David here from Dignited. Today I want to show you how to identify the model and generation of your Fire TV stick. Alright, let's get into it. Knowing your Amazon Fire Stick model can help when you want to get some help online or wish to make comparisons between different models so as to make a better buying decision. So how can you tell the Fire Stick model that you have? Well, the first place to look without a doubt is the product box itself. The Fire Stick model will be written right on the box of your Fire Stick. For instance, I have the Amazon Fire Stick and Fire Stick Lite here with me. And as you can tell, the product models are written right on the packaging of the Fire Sticks. The Fire TV Stick Lite has a light label here, whereas the Fire TV Stick does not have. Well, when you compare the packagings themselves, there's really not much difference apart from the light label there. But then when you flip over here on the side, you can see that the Fire Stick has the third generation label here, meaning that this Fire Stick is the Fire Stick third generation. And of course you also have the product features written on the back of the boxes, but other than that there is really limited information that you get from the product box here. All right, and when you look at the Fire Stick itself, well, you can see the model number, but the brand name is not written. For instance, on my Fire Stick, it shows S3L46N. Now, you can always note this down and Google it to get more information about your Fire Stick. So the product box definitely has limited information about your Fire Stick. If you want to dig deeper and get more detailed information, such as the device version or generation and serial number, then you'll have to insert your Fire Stick into your TV and start it. With the device booted, you can go to Settings and then My Fire TV and then About. You'll see much more detailed information about your Fire Stick. Now you can check your Fire Stick's model under device type. As you can see, mine shows I have the Fire TV Stick third generation. You can also see your Fire Stick serial number, storage capacity, software version, and the Amazon account it is registered in. Alright, if that's not good enough for you and you wish to dig even deeper beyond your Fire Stick's model and generation, I recommend downloading a third-party app called Informer by AFTnews.com. These are the same guys who gave us the downloader app we use to sideload apps on the Amazon Fire Stick. You can watch the video by clicking the link up here if you haven't already. The Informer app can be downloaded and installed directly from the Amazon App Store. This app will show you not just the Fire Stick's model, but also hardware specs such as CPU, RAM, storage, Bluetooth version, Wi-Fi version, video and audio information, among others. It's really comprehensive and I highly recommend it for those nerdy specs. Alright guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a like, ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos, and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.